Hi guys, happy Thursday. This week's assignments were posted, and for Friday it said to be announced. So I already showed you some videos for the water cycle, some things you could do. Hopefully you'll do some of those tomorrow if you want. But this is going to be our STEM challenge, and it's actually an instant challenge, and I will send the instructions on a document, but I wanted to explain it to you in a video. So your challenge is to build a tower as tall as you can, but you only get 7 minutes and you only get certain materials. So the instructions say to use 3 index cards for each team or person. So you can do it individually, or you can have a sibling help you, or you could challenge a sibling to create the tallest tower. I'm challenging my daughter Ella, but she's busy right now. Okay, so if you don't have index cards, which I didn't have enough index cards, so I had to use playing cards for my index cards. Also, you need paper clips, and I don't have paper clips. So instead, I used bobby pins that you would hold your hair back with. You also want to know that whatever you use can be altered. So if they're your best paper clips or bobby pins or playing cards, you might not want to use them. You also will need 2 straws for each team or each person who's making a tower, and you will need 3 1-inch pieces of tape. When you're finished, when the timer goes off, you will measure the tower. My tower was 12.5 inches long when I was done. I was very disappointed, and those 7 minutes went by so fast. You could also use a ruler, or if you don't have a standard measuring device, you could use string or dental floss. So you can alter the materials to fit your needs, whatever you have at home. So I'm now going to show you my tower, and after I created it and measured it, it fell down. So it's not pretty, but the other rule that I'm not sure I mentioned, so here's the base of my tower. And it did have a pin on top to get that extra 1/2 inch, but when it fell over, that thing flew behind me. So when you finish and the 7 minutes is up, you cannot hold your tower. So if it falls over, you can measure how tall it is, like after it fell over, but it has to be freestanding. So you can't be touching it. It can't be leaning on anything. It has to stand on its own. So for each inch that your tower is tall, you get so many points. So if it's 3 points, and Mrs. Jenkins had a 12-inch tower, then 12 times 3, which is just adding 12 3 times, is 36. So I would get 36 points. Now, whenever Ella's not busy and she creates a tower, we'll see if she can beat it. So have fun and try to think of creative ways to make a nice sturdy base for your tower. And if you decide to do it, post a picture and tell me how tall your tower was. Good luck and have fun.